Introduce yourself. So who are you? What do you do?
My name is Diana. I am from Colombia and I am an MVP in Cloud and Data Center Management, also community activist. I like all things related with education and technology. Well, what else? Latin dance.
Latin dance. Yeah, we were practicing our Latin dances just a moment ago.
Yeah, maybe tonight.
Maybe tonight. We're going to do some Latin dancing later tonight. That's a promise. How about you, Magnus?
Yeah, well, I'm Magnus. I'm from Sweden, and I just really love activism and in terms of community and that sort of fellowship that you get from learning with each other, learning from each other. So that's why we kind of started this Global Azure Bootcamp kind of movement, if you will. So that's what really gets me going during the days.
It's really a movement, like it's a big thing happening across the world. Because can you explain to the viewers what is Global Azure Bootcamp? What is it about?
Well, it is all about community. So it is owned by and run by local users, the local community. So we came all together and let's talk about Azure, learning about Azure. So it's
Tech geeks.
fun. Yeah, we are.
That's right.
And then sharing passion and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. All the passion that goes into that. People who are experts in what they do, but they just can't help themselves but to share with other people, right? So just create events and meet up and get somebody to sponsor some pizzas or something, right? And then learn for the day about Azure in this case, right? So that's what it's about.
That's so cool. And I've learned that there's more than 20,000 people who have already attended those Global Azure Bootcamps. So I think you had a great picture showing where in the world these events have taken place. So you went this year to Colombia, where you were part of those?
Yeah, we've been running for the last 8 years.
Yeah, 8 years.
Actually.
Already 8 years.
Yeah.
So I didn't know that was going on for such a long time. So that's good. 8 years. Wow.
Yeah.
And how was it? What do you like best about those events?
Well, you know what? So the most important thing is it's about Azure. So it's exciting.
The setting.
Yeah.
How about you?
Well, so the thing about, I think, is that we're doing things together on the same day. On this day, we get like a massive imprint on social media. We're trending in the hashtag Global Azure around the world, and everybody is kind of doing something together on the same day. We have people around the world who come to us and give us feedback saying, this is the most fun event that we do for our community every year, just because everyone else is doing it at the same time. And it kind of makes you feel part of a planet, right? Part of a whole thing.
It does. It's what you're saying, like a global movement. It's technologists liking this technology, Azure, sharing passion, sharing tips and tricks, right? So what does such a day look like? What are you doing throughout the day?
Well, so we as organizers usually get in contact with different local sponsors. We select different venues, and based on the needs of our communities. So we choose, the best for them. Like, we are very flexible on what is the agenda for. So we gather all together and have fun talking about Azure,
That's right.
And yeah.
Any particular parts of the day you like to express, the things that you like that are commonly part of such a day?
Well, we do have also a global lab that we run. So we've been doing various kinds of global labs over the years. We've been computing data around breast cancer and all kinds of things. Actually, last year we were searching through some NASA data to find planets out in the universe that we didn't know about yet. So, and it's not been completely verified, but odds are very good that we actually last year during the Global Azure Bootcamp found 2 new planets that we here on Earth didn't know about before.
So during a Global Azure Bootcamp, you potentially found 2 new planets.
Oh, yeah. Yep, that's right. We hope so. We'll see.
And such, what does a science lab look like? So what's the setting during the day? What are people doing?
They're actually deploying some pre-made algorithm to do some large, big-scale computing together because there's like 20,000 people attending. Every one of them can deploy a few instances of servers doing these computations. So it's a large computational problem with massive amounts of data that we then take and break down into itty-bitty pieces, and then each individual computer will be part of the solution and part of the search, in this case, for planets. It was brilliant.
That's cool. It's really using the power of Azure and scaling it up to do cool science projects. I really like it. So now I'm very curious, like, when will the next Global Azure Bootcamp take place? When is this going to happen?
So we want to announce today that it will be taking place on the next 23 April next year, 2020, until April 25. So it means that we now have 3 days, basically. Yeah, 3 days, not just one, like the Saturday. Yeah. So now we have 3 days to work on.
That's very, very cool. So much more content you can share throughout those periods.
So now we have options, right? So there's been a lot of feedback over the years that people felt that one day, the Saturday, wasn't enough. They wanted to do more, or they wanted to maybe not do it on a Saturday because a Saturday didn't really work for them. They wanted to have a Friday or some other day. And we always said, no, keep it on a Friday, keep it on a Saturday, keep it on a Saturday. Except now we're changing it up. We're catering to our requests. And so if you want to run an event on just a Thursday or just a Saturday, that's perfectly fine. If you want to run a 3-day event, that's great too. You know, anyone can do anything that they want during these days. And basically what we're doing centrally here from the sort of administration side of things is that we're just collecting some sponsors and helping out in any way that we can. But it really is the local community leaders that run these events and create them, right?
Mm-hmm. That's clear. So there's much more flexibility to it when you event it, and if you do 1, 2, or 3 days, and every group of people, regional directors and MVPs, they can choose how much time it will take and which days.
That's right, that's right. So a lot of these people are MVPs, as you said, right? There are several hundred MVPs involved in this, but you don't have to be an MVP to run one of these events. You can be any community activist at all, but it is exciting that several hundred MVPs are taking part in this, sharing their knowledge, sharing, you know, the things that they do best as MVPs. Right.
Sorry, I just got the fact that we're close to wrapping up. Let's do the summary. So the next, where do people find more information about these bootcamps? Yeah.
Okay, so it will be announced on our website. So let me show you.
AzureBootcamp.net.
.net.
Great.
So, and we got a new logo. I hope you like it.
and a hashtag.
Yeah, and our hashtag is Global Azure. Yeah, okay. So, yeah.
Great stuff, guys. I really liked it. It's going to be amazing. Thank you.